cakeage in Dead by Daylight. Yes, I agree. She did not have it, and Quentin has nothing, so we're starving for cake. Give us cake. What I'm doing tonight is we are doing a tier list on the Dead by Daylight Survivor booty cakes, and that's what we'll be doing. Let's go over the categories. The categories for this are cakes for days, so you know, like who has the most cakes. Cake all in caps, because damn, that cake. Got some cake. We got a little bit of cake. They have a slice of cake, so like not a full cake, but you're like, you know, they have the potential to be cakey. They have mini cake. Maybe it's even like a cupcake. And then a non-existent cake. Like these people are like looking for the bakery and can't find it. Be cake-alicious. So, I do understand that I don't have all the cosmetics, and there are going to be maybe some cosmetics that, you know, make them more cakey. So, starting off in order, we're going to go through all of them in order with Mr. Dwight. He's got like anti-cake. Sir, can you put your toolbox away? Just hold on to nothing, please. I need to see your cakiness. It's like it's just a long back. Oh no, poor Twiddle. So, the Dwight, his cake is non-existent. He is looking for the bakery. I'm sorry. The next one we have is going to be Meg. She's got, from the side, ma'am, with your toolbox, can you put that down for a moment, please? From the side, there's some cake action going on. You know, there's a little bit of cake. From the back, it looks like maybe she has this like a mini, like a cupcake. From the side, though, she's got a slice. So that raises the question. Do we put her in the mini cake or a slice of cake? I think I'm leaning more towards a slice of cake. You know, with her backstory, she is like athletic. She has the ability to build up her cake, is what I'm going with. Next, we would have Claudette. I'm gonna put her into, are these her base pants? We put her into, let's do these ones at least. And then I need to put her into a shirt where I can at least see. Okay. I'm not seeing much of anything here, to be honest. She's I don't know. She's got like, it's not technically just a long back for her. You know, she's got, I think she's gonna be the first category of the cupcakes. Got just a little bit. It ain't much, but it's not nothing. You know, she's got some cupcakes. Fine. Cupcakes are good, yes. Alright, on to the next is Jake. I'll put him into his basic pants. Let's have him drop his toolbox. my guy. Are these his like basic pants? These ones also. It's just a little by the butt. I mean, it's better than Dwight's. I'll put that out there, but you know, it's still very. If I change his shirt, does it change that at all? There, something tucked in. So no, it being tucked in is not happening. I mean, you know, from the side a little bit. So I don't think he's non-existent. I don't think he's looking for the bakery. A little bit of something. I think he's gonna go into the cupcake category. They didn't want the men having nothing for us to look at, right? That little something something. All the guys got handheld. Hopefully not all the guys. I don't want to see like all the guys just like kind of down here. I hope there are some like cakey guys. That's my goal. After Jake, we have Mia. All right, ma'am. Let's see these cakes. Mia, though, it's so hard to tell. Is there an outfit that like makes her look a little bit better? No, this one makes her look worse. What kind of cake we talking about? We're talking about the booty kind of cake. This one is also just as bad. Hold on. Okay, this would be our best look at it without like any shirt coverage or anything. Those cakes, though. I think she's gonna be a I think we're gonna have to put Nia into the mini cupcake category. The mini cake / cupcake category. There's like a tiny bit. So, all right. Up next. Oh, old man Bill. My guy. You have no pants to help your situation out. I think it's safe to say that Mr. Bill is looking for the bakery. He has the non-existent cake. So, black in the cheeks. Lower than that, then lower than the non-existent cake. All right, David and his basic pants. You have better looking pants, my guy. Can you put down your toolbox, sir? I know, it's a very nice toolbox, but I need to see your booty cheeks. Oh, I hate these pants on him. I'm sad to say, I think David's cakes are kind of lacking. I think for David, we're gonna have to he's got a mini cake. Got the thighs. There's like something there. There's workability. David got thigh for sure, but even in skinnier pants, he don't have it. Yeah. It's like a little bit. He's got a little bit of a little something, a start of something. So, you know, it's better than nothing. I'm like Dwight and Bill. That we have. Oh, Miss Lori. All right, I know we're gonna have this argument of putting down your item, ma'am. There's got to be a little bit of cake. So, for that reason, I'm going to put Lori into the mini cupcake. Otherwise, I'd say she's non-existent. I feel like as we get further into Survivors and the more effort they went into design, we'll see cakier cakes. That's a really good point. I think we're going to get more cake as we go on. I feel like the cake is waiting down here for us. We're working our way to a big dessert. All right. After Lori, we have Ace. Oh my god. You gotta put down your item though, honey. Are there pants that make it look better? These ones make it look worse. That's like anti, non-existent. These are those are definitely cupcakes. And this one, he's got a little bit of something. So we'll put him into the cupcake category. We don't got a whole lot of cake going on so far. All right, so up next, thing, put her in her usual ones. Ruh-roh. Gotta put this item down though. Sorry. All right. I feel we are just staring at their butts. Feel like I have to sneeze. You know, in some pants, she's got a slice. You know? Like, look at these pants with her. I feel like there is cakeage in these pants. Ooh, same with these ones. So, for her, let's give her a slice. She's got a slice of cake. Depends on, you know, what pants she's wearing. All right, after her, we have... Oh, Quentin. Hold on. Let's get this toolbox out of the way to see. To see nothing. To see nothing. But shorts deserve cakeage. There needs to be more short cakeage in Dead by Daylight. Yes, I agree. She did not have it, and Quentin has nothing, so we're starving for cake. Give us cake. Behavior, we need to talk. Yeah, justice for booty shorts. Exactly. Exactly. All right, after him, we have Tap. Okay, you know what? In these pants, he's got some cake. There's cakeage. Look at the curve of the cakeage. In this one, not as much. There is still a little bit. So I think at the most, what we would do for him would be, I think because of his like dad pants with the tools on him, he's got a slice of cake. He is the first guy to be above a mini cake or cupcake. Good for you. Good for you. Enough to jump him in slice? Yes. Yes. All right, after Tap, we have Kate. Yes, something cropped so we can get some cakeage. Hold on, put down your item, sweetheart. All right. So one, I know I'm biased because I don't like Kate, but I can admit that she's got some cake. She has some cake. She is the top tier so far. But the cakeage is coming. Up next, we have Adam. He's in his basic pants. All right, sir. Oh, your item's gonna get in the way. got some curvature. Not a lot, though. You got some better pants, my guy? He's got a little bit of cake. He's got a little bit of something in his fancy pants. These ones, like, take away some of his cake. Not bad. It's kind of low. I don't like where the pockets are on this one, but Adam, we're gonna put him up into the slice of cake. Got potential. Just gotta do some squats. Guys' pants don't show the booty off too much. Well, they should. They should. How about that? Up next, we have Jeff. And get him into something else. Put his item away. All right, Sweet Bean. Oh, no. These his basic pants. Ooh, okay. This is not bad for him. There is cakeage. What about from the other side? Oh, yes. Very nice. Very nice. So, for Jeff, we're going to put him into the slice of cake. He has a healthy slice of cake. He has, like, potential to be up into got some cake, but it depends on the pants he's wearing. So. Oh, look, who's next? Well then. I just hate that when they stand. Oh, there you go. Adjust. Tuck your leg in. Make them even. All right. We have a winner. All right, Miss Jane. She's got cakes for days. We already knew where this one was going. We knew. We all knew where this one was going. Alright. Up next, we got Ash.
Wow, check out the potty mouth on you.
Oh no, you hush. I don't... Why are you talking? Oh, there you go. Oh no. I think we're back into cupcake territory. A little something, but not a lot. Oh no, Sweet Bean. It's okay. It's okay, my guy. Them some little cupcakes. 100%. He's got some little cupcakes. Alrighty. Up next, we have Nancy. She's like a child. So she's her and Mr. Steve are like babies, and they got the baby cheeks. And a child, though, they're like children, though. I'm old. The young adults in the show. I'm old. So, we're gonna give them both little cupcakes. They have room to grow because they are young. They have booty potential in the future. Up next, we got Yui. Hold on. Put your item down, Sweet Bean. This is a kind of cakey short. She got any others? That's anti-cake. Oh no. Eat those pants. I know. And these ones. Oh no. And these ones. And these shorts specifically. She's got like a slice of cake, I'd say. I think that is a fair assessment, is a slice of cake. We're only judging the shorts on that one. Okay, for Zarina, I love her shorts. They're super cute. I hate that I'm having to put everyone's item down. Hi, Jay. That's like cupcake zone right there. I don't know. None of them are really doing much for her. I'm gonna... So... Because of that, we're gonna have to put her into the cupcake zone. She ain't working with a lot. But there's something. There's something there. Next we have Cheryl, and she only has the cute little skirt. There's not a whole lot to go off of, but I'm gonna say, you know, that she's got a little something, so we're gonna give her some cupcakes. Apparently, in the DBD universe, flat booties are common. Yeah, you would think with all their running that they would be working up some booties. After Cheryl, we have Felix. Don't let me down, Felix. The booty be lacking in all of them, except for this one, when there's a little bit of cheek action. Just a little. Breaks my heart. Because he is my favorite guy. He's just got some, he's got some cupcakes. He deserves more cake. Elodie. She's gonna need to be in a different shirt so we can see the cakeage. We're gonna take a break from talking about the cakeage to talk about her thigh gap. In these shorts, she's got a little bit of cakeage, not a whole lot though. I feel like it'd be, oh, these pants aren't bad. Okay, and these pants. And these pants. I feel like it's safe to say she's got a slice. Got a slice. She got a shortcake. Next, we have Yunjin. The skirt's not going to be a great one to see. I think any of hers are going to be really great to see. She likes the pants that I like to wear to work. These are going to be the ones we have to judge off of. I feel like there's a tiny bit. There's a tiny bit. We got to give her that, you know? So let's put her in the mini cupcakes. Up next, we have Jane. Oh, does she got some... I'm stuck between...
Toss a coin to your witcher, O Valley of Plenty, O Valley of Plenty.
I feel like that the most, she's got like some. Got a little something, but is it like mini cupcakes or is it a slice? I feel like she might be a slice. That seems fair. Slice-ish. Yeah, she's somewhere in this like happy medium right here. But let's give her a slice. Yeah. Hello, Noodles. Oh, hi, babies. Give me that. You're gonna help me judge the booties? We're looking at butts. He's got one pair of pants that I own for him. What, Noodle? I feel like this is a moment where I would consider going into the store, but these are the only other pants for him. Don't mind the cat. And I'm not going into legendary skins because then it changes. It's not it's not Leon. I can't see. And I feel like if he... This is gonna sound bad. I feel like if he was bent over, it might be a little bit better. So, for Mr. Leon, his actual game, he's super cakey. Is he? In Dead by Daylight, he's working with some cupcakes. So, that is unfortunate for him.
It's time to go.
It is time to go, sir. Up next, we have Michaela. Hold on, hold on. With the cake. Puts the cake in Michaela. Not in those. These ones, there's cakeage. There's cakeage. Yes. Told you my girl's got cake. That's my girl. Actually. Michaela in the cake category. Up next, got Jonah. Alright, my guy, you got something that shows a little bit of your cakeage? Put your toolbox down. Got priorities right now. I can't tell if it's his phone in his pocket that's giving him the cake. I think right now in this, right there, that phone is what's giving him the cake. He's still got a little something. Where are we putting Jonah? I think he's working with a slice. If he was given good cosmetics, yes. Next. Well, he's only got the one pair of pants. And not a whole lot of cake. We're hungry. We want more cake. Does he have other cosmetics I could put him into that would help? No, he's just covering his backside in all of them. We're gonna have to put him into the cupcakes. I don't have... There's not enough information, not enough data. It's inconclusive. Exactly. Alrighty, up next, we have... Oh, Miss Hattie. Get you into your normal pants. I feel like she doesn't get enough credit for her cakeage. There is cakeage there. Now the question is, how much cakeage? How much cakeage does the cakeage equivalent to? Not gonna lie, I forgot Hattie was a character. Ah! This is why she doesn't get enough credit. I feel like it's fair. I don't know. I think she might be up in the cakes for days. Yes. Hattie the baddie. Got cakes for days. Alright. After Hattie the baddie, we have Ada. But she's only got the one cosmetic that I can put her into. But there is something there. See, peeking out. We got any other cosmetics for her? I don't think so. Let's cover up more of the cake, of course. Or this one also covers up more of the cake. I don't think either of those are a good example. So I think what she's working with right now is the vest. And there is cakeage there. There do be cake. How many times can I say cake in one stream? We're gonna put her into the cake category. She is straight up cake. Feel like Leon, she has more in her game, does she? Ah, DVD is trying to like minimize the cakeage. I feel betrayed. Next is Rebecca. Got this big old bag covering her cake. And I know she has a different cosmetic, so we're gonna go put her into her shorts. Even then, there's like, I feel like at the most, she's working with like a slice. I feel like we're in slice territory right now. All right. Back here, we are now at Vittorio. Put him in his regular pants. Let's take away his toolbox and let's see what we're working with. Oh no, my guy. We're back in cupcake zone. This doesn't help. This doesn't help. This one helps a little. From the back. Not from the side, though. He is like all upper body. There's like a tiny, tiny bit of cake. I think for him, we're gonna... He's got cupcakes. As we continue on. Up next, we have Alita. And is it even a question? Is it even a question? Alright, tonight I'm doing good. We are currently doing a Dead by Daylight booty tier list. Because I have priorities. Alright, after her, we have her brother. I feel like he might be lacking in the cakes, though. He's got a tiny bit. All right, let's see if taking away his toolbox helps at all. In these pants, he's got like cupcakes. We're working at cupcake territory in these pants. These ones, it's non-existent. And these ones, non-existent. He's got cupcakes in these pants, and that's about it. So, there's so many people in the cupcake category. Oh my goodness. After him, we have Gabriel. Put him into his basic pants. There's a little bit of something, something. And these ones, no. These ones, there's definitely a slice there. Yes. I don't know. I feel like he's borderline like cake or a slice. I feel like Gabriel has got some cake. I feel like he is the top tier guy so far. We only have 2 more guys and 2 more girls, and then we're golden. Now we have Mr. Nicolas Cage. Let's see. Does he have a shirt that's like tucked in? That's probably going to be the best for seeing his non-existent cakes. Oh my. This one is like the best, but I feel like it's because of like where the fabric is. This one is, he's got a long back. Oh, honey. But there is like that curvage. I feel like the long back with curvage is going to get him into a higher category than I would want to put him into. I think for Nick, we're going to put him into... I want to put him in non-existent. I want him searching. He is searching for the bakery. He needs to purchase cake. But because of the curvage on the side, I'm going to put him into a cupcake category. Up next, We have Ellen and her cute little space clothes. I love the back of these pants. Like the it's almost like a corset with the way it looks. I dig it. Right behind her other pants. And these pants, non-existent. She can't even find the bakery. And these ones got some cupcakes. So benefit of the doubt, we're gonna give her cupcakes. Got cupcakes. Up next, we have Alan. Let's see what you got. Show me what you're working with. Oh no. Oh no. It's just a slope. There's not even curvage. Oh no. I feel like in these ones, it's only because there's a seam that's giving curvage. Oh no. He's got slopage. Show me what you're not working with, Alan, and his non-existent cake. All right, and last but not least, the newest survivor. Let's put her in some pants so we can see. That is cake. That is pure cake. In these pants, still cake. What about in the skirt? Even in the skirt, look how much volume there is. It is cake. Soft girlfriend be caken. 100%. She is full on caken. Now the question is she just cake? Or is she cake for days? Feel like she is just caken. I don't know. Is she cake for days or is she just cake? I feel like she does beat Michaela and Ada, but is her cake in the cakes for days category? I guess it depends on how hungry you are. We'll put her in cakes for days. I'm content with leaving her in cakes for days. And so with this, here is my Dead by Daylight tier list on the survivors and their cakeage.